Hey guys, so now we're here in our farm, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure. But it's She Vlogs right here, and yeah, I'm going to our farm, and basically there are lots of animals in here, like swans, chickens, and pigs. So I'm gonna make a vlog for this. So let us see. So now guys, we will be going to the other house. Beep. So now we are here. So now we are here. Um, basically, perfect. Lights. Shut up.
Open the door for you.
No.
Uy. Wala magting. Buutan sa mga iro.
So I'm now entering the sand pits. And
Get inside. Wapo kayo yung mga iro. Okay.
that's a sheep.
Get inside.
Hey there. It's weird. Hey sheep, say hello to the vlog. They won't respond. Well, I guess I have a human here to say that. Hi ma, say hello to the vlog. Okay, so
So,
my real name is
Here's the mother and here's the father.
My real name is Trisha Mae Manapo, and the Sha in Shasha Padilla. Shasha Padilla's nickname is Shing. So my mom calls me Shing, and I'm now naming my vlog She, because it's the shortest for me. It's not more words. At my view here, eh? See that? That's amazing. Practically amazing. So you have forest down there. See that? That's a forest, untouched one. Right there, see that? That's a lot of spiders because, yeah, guys, basically this is a farm, and it has, oh my gosh, that's a big one, a big one. And yeah, basically there's a lot of spiders, of course, in farms. So hey guys, going to Davao, we stopped by for dinner, and because it's already 4 and I was sleeping in the car, so that's why my hair is like this. So anyways, I am now in the view, with the view right here in the, I know I'm still starting to vlog, so I'm a bit shy in some people, but yeah, it's a nice place. See, there's a view, and you cannot find that easy. I'm gonna show you my view. So that's the view in here. It's quite nice, I can say. But I went to Palawan already, so I know what's beautiful sea and what's not. So I think that's it. I'm going for dinner. Adios. Hey guys, this is She Vlogs and thank you for watching the vlog for today, and please like, comment and subscribe. Those three are very helpful for the channel and for more videos to come. So yeah, this is my cousin Sam right here, and yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.